Hello, today we're going to continue to do Math Kangaroo 2021. Question number 11. The number 502197297 is written on a sheet of paper. Julian cuts the sheet twice, so he gets 3 numbers. What is the smallest sum he can get by adding these 3 numbers? So first, there's 3 ways to split it. First one is like this, and then we'll add them together. And now, that equals 'cause there is no answer over here that is that, so it's not in this way. The next way, alright, and now the next way to cut it is like this. Five zero two one 972 970 that is 6963. There's no answer like that. And now it would be the last one. Now we're gonna cut it like this. And we're gonna add 502 1972 and 970. And that is, so B is the answer. Question number 12. The map shows 3 bus stations at point A, B, and C. A tour from station A to the zoo and port and back to A is 10 kilometers long. A tour from station B to park and zoo and back to B is 12 kilometers long. A tour from station C to port and park and back to C is 13 kilometers long. Also, a tour from the zoo to park and back to the zoo is 14 kilometers long. How long is the shortest tour from A to B and C and back to A? So we can add these all together. And then minus 15, that'll be this outline side. That should be the shortest, so let's do it. 10 plus 13 plus 12 is, that'll be 20. So B is the answer. Question number 13. Now, let's start with A. Here, you can just bend back over here and then go straight through. So now, B goes like that and then back like that. So now, see? This part would have to face this part and then it'll go like that. So now, D, we'll just do it. We'll say that later because that looks kind of impossible because it just did not say anything that helps it to go through. E, it goes here, over there, and back. Go. No. So D is the answer. Question number 14. The diagram shows three hexagons with numbers at their vertex, but some numbers are invisible. The sum of 6 numbers each hexagon is 30. What is the number on the vertex marked with a question mark? First, we're gonna add up these and these, and we'll deal with the last one later. So 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 12. And then we'll use 30 to minus 12 is 18. And then we'll separate 18, so 10 and 8 right over here like that. And now this one, 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 is 23. And then 30 minus 23 is 7. So 3 and 4. And now we can add up the middle one now. 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 1 is 26. Now 30 minus 26 is 4. So the answer is B. Question number 15. When rectangles of the same height are positioned as shown, the numbers within the rectangle indicate their areas in centimeter too. If AB equals to 6 centimeter, how long is CD? So we'll put this as F, and then C, and D, and E. We're going to add 12 and 18. That is 40. That is 30. And then 30 divide 6 is 5. So F is 5. Then we're going to add up 18 and 22 because we're figuring out the centimeters of these two numbers. 18 plus 22 is 40. And then 40 divide 5 is 8. So C is the answer. Question number 16. A pyramid is built with 10 identical balls as shown. Each ball has one of the letters A, B, C, D, and E on it. There are 2 balls marked with each letter. The picture shows 3 side views on the pyramid. What is the letter on the ball with the question mark? Here there is C and C, E and E, B and B, D and D. So here has to be A and A because we have A, we have B, C, E, and D. So the only letter left is A. So here, this one will be A. Question number 17. The first one. Ranja had 4 tokens and Wanja had 4 gray tokens. They played a game in which they took turns to place one of their tokens to create 2 piles. Ranja placed her first token first. Which pair of piles could they not create? So Ranja is up here. Vanja, Ranja, Vanja, Ranja, and Vanja. So this is not the answer. Vanja, Nope. Vanja. So not the answer. E. Ranja. And now it's supposed to be Ranja next, but there's no place for Ranja to go but this piece over here. But they have to go in that piece first. So E is the answer. Question number 18. My little brother has a 4-digit bike lock with the digits 0 to 9 on each part of lock as shown. He starts on the right combination and turn each part of the same amount in the same direction. And now the lock shows a combination 6 3s 4 8. Which of the following cannot be the correct combination for my brother's lock? So let's start with A. 8 5 6 0. 6 7 and the 8. 3 4 5. 4 5 6. 8 9 0. Not the answer. B. 6 5 4 3. 3 2 1. 4 3 2. 1. 8 5 4. 8 7 6 5. Not the answer. C. 6 5 4 3 2. No. C could be the answer. And now D. 6 5 4 3 2 1. 3 2 1 0 9 8. Okay. 4 3 2 1 9. Alright, good. 8 7 6 5 4 3. Okay, not the answer. E. 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. 3 2 1 9 8 7. All right. 4 3 2 1 0 9 8. All right. 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. All right. Not the answer. C is the answer. Question number 19. There were 20 apples and 20 pears in a box. Claire randomly took 20 pieces of fruit from the box and Lucas took the rest. Which of the following statements is always true? A. Clara got at least one pear, and that's not true. If Clara got all the apples, then that would be not. So this is not always true. B. Clara got as many apples as a pear. That is almost not true, so no. C. Clara got as many apples as Lucas. That's almost not true. Clara got as many pears as Lucas got apples. Here, if Clara got 7 apples, then Lucas would have got the rest of the apples, and then, now Clara got this much pears. For example, Clara got 7 pears, and then Lucas would have the rest. And then Lucas would have to get 7 pieces of fruit next. So pears or apples would have to be the same. So D could be the answer. Clara got as many pears as Lucas. That's always not untrue. And now D is the answer. Question number 20. There is a single train track between points X and Y. A train company wants one train to leave from X and one train to leave from Y at the same time daily. Moving the constant speed, it takes 180 minutes for a train to make a trip from X to Y and 60 minutes from Y to X. They want to build a double track. Which is that? To avoid a crash. Where would the double track be? Let's start with A. All right, if they put it over here, when this was here, this would have been 1, 2, 3. And then when it's over here, they would crash right here. So is that the answer? It was put over there. 30 minutes, 1, 2, 3. And now this would be 10 minutes, so 10, and then 20, and then they would avoid a crash right there. So no crash right there. B could be the answer. C. 30, 1, 2, 3, 30 minutes, 1, and they would crash right here. So no. D. 30 minutes, 1, 2, and then already over. In 30 minutes, they'll crash right here. No. E. 30, 1, 2, 3. 30 minutes, 1, and then crash right here. So now, B is the answer. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching.